Welcome to the Permanent Record, a series made to highlight the creation of a facial recognition database of police, not for police, designed so that you and me can access records and data about cops as easily as they access records and data about us. If that sounds like something you'd like to be able to do with your phone, all you have to do is watch this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't done it already, hit the damn subscribe button. So this year I've decided I'm going to take this shit up a notch, so make sure you stick around to the end of this video and I'll put up a link to another video explaining exactly what I mean. With no further ado, for today's footage, I give you good guy audits and the tyrants of the NYPD.
Anything?
Why are you touching me?
Well, you're looking.
Why are you touching me?
You're looking inside of the car.
So that means you could touch me?
Well, sir,
He was just trying to get
Why are you touching me, bro?
We're looking inside of the car. What's going on?
What authority do you have over me right now?
Well, you're looking inside
What authority do you have over me right now?
I'm just trying to find.
He was just trying to get your attention.
Trying to understand
So he
what's
touches
going
me.
on.
You just
need
touch.
anything inside of
You
the
can
car?
just touch people?
He just
Well,
tapped your
sir,
shoulder.
I need to know.
Can you just touch people? Yes or no?
I need to know what's going on.
Can you just touch people? Yes or no?
Well, I was trying to get your attention. You never say anything.
Don't touch people. You can't just walk up to people and touch them.
Touch the car, sir.
I could touch whatever I want. Look, I could touch the car all I want.
He was just trying to get your attention.
Okay, you just walk up to people and touch them? Are you high right now? You drunk? Don't touch nobody, bro. What's your job? Your job is to just walk up to people and touch them? What's your name and badge number?
Sir, do you want me to 65?
Can I get a card? I need both of your cards. Thank you. I need your card too. So you say you just...
Do you need anything inside the
Do you need anything?
No, I'm asking you because you were looking inside.
Okay.
That's all. That's the only reason.
What's
why
wrong
I
with that?
Well,
What's wrong with that?
obviously you needed something because you were looking inside.
So what?
Well, I'm asking you. That's the only reason why I approached you.
You first of all, you came at me mad hostile, and then you pushed me like.
Not come at you hostile. He just tapped your shoulder because.
Sir, if I push you, you will lose your balance. I didn't.
Is your body cam on? Is your body cam on? You should turn it on before you touch people. Any contact you make with the public, you don't turn your body cam on? You don't need a record?
You need a card, right? What is your card?
Why is your body cam not on? Why we pay for these body cams if you don't use it? There you go. I need a... What if I want to FOIA request this interaction? Always turn your body cam on, always. That's why we pay for them.
Name and my badge number is on.
How long you been on the force? Your name ain't on here. Edward. You all right? You under the influence? What's he supposed to do? He's gonna educate you? Is this your coffee? Is this your coffee? Yeah, now they quiet because they know they fucked up. You don't just touch people, bro. That's called assault. It's called battery. You know that, right? Can I ask you a question? You know what the First Amendment is? Now y'all quiet, right? You was just vocal 2 minutes ago. Good thing. Don't do anything to make yourself look bad. Worse than what you already look. Remember your oath to the Constitution, all right? Respect the people's rights. We can look, we can touch all we want. As long as we don't commit crimes, that's it. Stay safe, all right? Just come up to people and touch them. Yo, NYPD is off the hook. We in Harlem 125th again. All right, to the next one.
So first, I just have to say that if you haven't already seen Good Guy Audits, you were really missing out. You can find links for his channel and the original footage in the description of this video. If you want to help support the project, remember, always film the police. Not only is it to your advantage to have a complete and immediately available record of the encounter, but if you post it on YouTube or you send it to me, the officer that you film will end up being placed in this database. If you already have video or photos of officers that you'd like me to add, you can just send them to me at nonamecoderofficial@gmail.com. And if you want to join me in putting these cops on notice, you can go grab a sticker or a t-shirt from the Spring store. You can find that link and some others at nonamecoder.tv. Anyone that has any feedback, feel free to email me or just leave me a message in the comments. Also, you guys should really make sure to check out this video up here to see what I have planned for 2023. So that's a wrap, folks. That's number 3732. Thank you all for being here, and I'll see you next time for number 3733.